everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service providers. And today, coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. If you don't know, you don't know, right? So, tires, we're going to talk about tires today. A lot of manufacturers recommend that they be replaced every 10 years. The National Traffic Safety Board says that should be more like 6. You're a lot more likely to have a blowout after 6 years than you are prior to 6 years. And so tire safety is very important in these big rigs like this, right? You have a flat tire, if you've ever seen any YouTube videos of it, it can be very, very dangerous. So today we're inspecting this Class A diesel pusher, and I have tires that are about 8 years old, and I'm going to recommend that they be replaced. And so just want to show you what we do to find these things and some of the other things that might be signs that it is definitely time to change these tires. So we're going to walk around to the driver's side of the RV, the rear tire. Alright, so right now it's the end of March 2023, and right here we see our DOT date code. See that? That says 2715. That means this tire was manufactured on the 27th week of 2015, sorry, making it just about 8 years old. Now, manufacturers say they'll last 10. Well, let's take a look at the sidewall of this tire and just see all the cracking going on here, right? It's not safe for anybody, you or other people on the road. Okay, so 5 of the tires on this are from 2015. 1 was manufactured in 2022. Now, what's that tell us? They probably had a flat tire. And why'd they have a flat tire? Probably due to the age. We don't know that for a fact, but just to show you here, we're at the rear tire of the passenger side, and if I come down here, I see my date code. It's 2622. I mean, shouldn't be replacing just the one tire, especially when they're that old. Should be replacing them all at the same time. So, as RV inspectors, we look at those things. What someone like Lemon Squad's going to do, they're going to take a tire gauge for the depth of the tire, the tread, and they're going to tell you, tire's good. Well, regardless of condition, the National Traffic Safety Board recommends it 6 years, regardless of condition. And it's for your safety and everybody else's safety on the road. This big thing flips over, has a big accident, you could hurt a lot of people. So, with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, make sure you're checking your tires. Make sure they're all new enough for you to be driving safely on the road. And your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. This is Jason. You have a nice day.